So now we have a very special unboxing. You know, the unboxing all of you guys have been waiting for. Well, at least I've been waiting for it. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I know that this has been out for a little while now, and some people have unboxed it, but the king is yet to unbox it. So let's get into it. Okay, look at the box. Very beautiful box. Can you see it? I don't know. Maybe the light's shining on it. Fear of God. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's get straight into what's inside. Okay, so as you open the box, you have a sealed bag. I think those are the laces. I'm pretty sure they are. You have a very, very big Nike bag for the box with the Fear of God. Can you see? I don't know. Can you guys see it? With the Fear of God logo on it. You can see that. Okay, cool. So, yeah, it's for the whole box. You know, because I was finding bags a bit difficult to put this in. But no, thank you so much, Nike, for that. I appreciate you putting a bag in the box. Okay. Moment you've all been waiting for. Let's go. Okay. So, I have to say, this is the most elaborate packaging I have seen. But it's a special. It's the Fear of God. Let's have a look. The Fear of God Ones by Jerry Lorenzo. I don't care what anyone says. These are absolute flames. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. These are fire, man. Come on. Nah, come on. Okay. Fear of God Ones in my hand right now. That's the first shoe. Let's have a look at the second shoe. Take it out. What happens if you go with this box to the airport? Will they let it through customs? I'll play it. Okay, cool. So I have the Fear of God Ones. Flames. No, flames. I have to say the price is a little too pricey. But it is absolutely flames. Look at the laces, you know. I want to know, is this like a new type of air bubble? It's got a barcode and everything there. Okay. Just want to say thank you so much to the people who made this possible for the king. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, here you have it. The Fear of God Ones. Let's take a look around the shoe. Yeah. Crazy shoe. Nike. Yeah. You did it again. You guys see that? Yeah. Some people love it. Some people may not. But I think this shoe is absolutely flames. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who made this happen. The king is very, very grateful. Peace. Okay, so part of this video was I'm not gonna buy any more Fear of God Nikes. Okay, so I'm not, you know, I love this trainer. I'm not, you know, I think this trainer's dope. You know, if I can buy every single pair, I would. But I've kind of come to the realization, you know, I've always had this realization, if I'm honest, that I don't need every pair of everything, you know. And me trying to always get every pair of everything, it's not going to happen. Especially the fact that I know there's so many pairs of these coming out. I've got the first one, I'm happy with it, and that's just me. I just want to say a massive congratulations to Jerry Lorenzo, Fear of God, and the whole team. It doesn't mean that you guys shouldn't get it, but me personally, I'm just sticking to the one pair, unless they make an Air Max model. Then it's a different ball game. But yeah, for a new pair, just to kind of, you know, celebrate it. It's a dope shoe. It's a dope shoe. Like the shape, everything. It's like a new silhouette. And yeah, I like it personally. I'm a fan. You know, big yourself up. You know, it's got like little details like in the, look at this, the zip, and you know, maybe I shouldn't break it. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's got like, it's just a dope pair of trainers, man. Like you can't. What more? What more do you want? You know, yeah. Big yourself up, man. Just some real key details. Yeah. Great shoe, great shoe. But no, this will be my only pair. Might double up though.